Welcome to Earth, our magnificent home, our planet unlike any other in the known universe. For billions of years, this blue jewel has been a cradle for life, a tapestry of ecosystems teeming with biodiversity and wonder. Join us on a journey to explore the beauty, the fragility, and the resilience of our planet. A journey to discover the wonders of Earth and the role we all play in its future. Mountains, Earth's towering giants, guardians of the sky, and symbols of endurance and resilience. For millennia, these monumental landforms have captured the imagination of humanity, inspiring awe, reverence, and adventure. Forests are vital habitats for a diverse array of animals, ranging from primates and birds in the canopy to mammals and insects on the forest floor. These animals rely on forests for food, shelter, and protection. Without forests, many species would struggle to survive, highlighting the crucial role these ecosystems play in supporting biodiversity. Protecting and preserving forests is essential for ensuring the continued existence of these animals and maintaining the balance of ecosystems worldwide. Birds are among the most visible and audible inhabitants of forests, adding color, sound, and movement to these environments. Flowers in forest ecosystems contribute to the beauty, biodiversity, and functionality of these habitats. Forest flowers play a crucial role in seed production as they give rise to fruits and seeds that serve as food for birds, mammals, and other forest dwellers, contributing to the overall health and regeneration of forest ecosystems. Nature encompasses the entire physical world and all living organisms, including plants, animals, and ecosystems. It includes everything from vast oceans and towering mountains to microscopic organisms and intricate ecosystems. Nature provides essential resources such as clean air, fresh water, and fertile soil, and it supports biodiversity and ecological balance. But this paradise is not without its challenges. In recent times, human activity has begun to take its toll on our planet. Climate change, habitat destruction, pollution, these threats loom large, casting a shadow over the future of life on Earth. Air pollution refers to harmful substances in the air from natural or human made sources like vehicles, industries, and agriculture. Pollutants include gases, particulate matter, and chemicals. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances contaminate bodies of water, harming ecosystems and threatening human health. Sources include industrial waste, agriculture runoff, and improper waste disposal. It degrades water quality, harms aquatic life, and can lead to waterborne diseases. E-waste, a kind of waste that is very different from ordinary waste as it contains toxic pollutants like mercury, lead, cadmium, chromium, and plastics, which are very harmful for humans as well as environment. Today, there are lakhs of people working in unorganized sector of e-waste disposal. People working in these unorganized sectors are often exposed to toxic chemicals during the processing of this waste. Interestingly, this e-waste also consists of valuable substances like gold, silver, and copper. Today, on one hand, we are growing as biggest consumer of electronics and on the same time, we are generating the vast amount of e-waste.
ई-वेस्ट इसके विषय में अवेयरनेस नहीं है। देखिए हमारे देश में एनवायरनमेंट की समस्याएं इसलिए आई कि जिसको जिस ठिकाना का कारखाना लगा दिया, दे वर नॉट कॉन्शियस अबाउट इट। हमने ई-वेस्ट के संबंध में एक मिशन उठाना चाहिए, ऑनलाइन चलाना चाहिए, अवेयरनेस कैंपेन करना चाहिए, ई-वेस्ट के सॉल्यूशन खोजने चाहिए। सरकार के साथ मिलकर के कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाया जा सकता है ई-वेस्ट के सॉल्यूशन, वरना हम पता नहीं कहां से कहां पहुंच जाएंगे।
Yet, amidst these challenges, there is hope. Across the globe, scientists, conservationists, and ordinary people are coming together to protect and preserve our planet for future generations. There are individuals who are dedicated to preserving nature, acting as its silent guardians. As students, we take great pride and satisfaction in having such individuals as our mentors and teachers. In our campus at GL Bajaj Group of Institutions, we are fortunate to have dedicated teachers who have taken the initiative to protect our environment. Let us come together to learn more about their efforts and initiatives.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Dr. Ramakant Baghel, HOD Computer Science and Engineering Department, GL Bajaj Group of Sunotra. Today, I am expressing my views on our Mother Earth. The best way to save Mother Earth is by reducing our carbon footprint. You know, one printing of the face emission 5 gram carbon. So, by setting sustainability goals and sticking to them, we can help make a difference in the planet's health. Another way to help save the planet is to reduce our carbon emissions. conservation of water and trees is another major step to protect our Mother Earth. Youth can play a major role from reducing waste and conserving resources to adopting for policies that protect our planet. Youth can make a real difference in building a more sustainable future. Through their actions and leadership, young people can inspire others to take action and help create a more sustainable world. At last, I have to say we have to protect our health. At last, we have to protect our earth to save our earth. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Shashi Shekhar and I am the Executive Department of Management Studies. Yes, as far as the initiative what I have taken so far in order to protect the environment is that I have planted so many trees. Place where I live in my colony. We did it in 14, 2014, 15 and 16. So we have been planting trees. So this is the first initiative what I have taken. Mother Earth. My views on Mother Earth is like we have two mothers. The mothers who has given us the birth. We cannot go without the care of that mother. Similarly, Mother Earth is the last hope to all of us. We don't have any other place. We don't have any other planet where the life can exist. So we have to love our Mother Earth. We have to take care of Mother Earth so that we can keep this Mother Earth or our planet sustainable for long period of time. My advice to youth is very simple. They connect to Sanatan Dharma because it simply is based on connecting to the nature, because if you see the old age values, in these values we worship nature, we worship trees, we worship rivers, we worship mountains, we worship all the forms of nature. So where we worship, before worshipping we have to conserve all those things. So this is going to translate the human approach. Then comes what steps we can take to conserve nature. So friends, my advice and simply what I do, I mostly say no to use polythene or the products which I normally bring. I say no to the shopkeepers, to the vendors who hand over me polythene when I purchase anything. So make your environment polythene free, plastic free. That is the best way. And you can cut down the consumption of power, electricity as students or as youth. What you can do is please be responsible for the power consumption. Let us see fans, tube lights, electric appliances running without any purpose. Nobody is there to use them. So switch off. Take your own responsibility. It's not responsibility. Take the ownership as if you are the owner. So the thinking of ownership will make you to do all this. This is all from my side.
Myself, Professor VK Singh, head first year. On my message on the Mother's Earth Day is they save the earth and save a hope of life. We use the private transport by using the private transport and conserve the water, conserve the electricity, and plant a tree. Plant a tree and take care of it. So we can improve the environment. And most my message to the youth is educate the society about the environment. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Nandini Sharma from Department of Computer Science, Assistant Professor, GL Bajaj Group of Institution. अर्थ डे सेलिब्रेशन के ओकेजन पे 2024 की जो थीम है प्लेनेट्स एंड प्लास्टिक, उसमें मैं आपको कुछ चीज़ शेयर करना चाहूँगी जो मैं अपनी डेली लाइफ में एग्जीक्यूट करती हूँ। इसमें कोई भी चीज़ नई नहीं है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल क्लीनिंग की अगर हम बात करें तो क्लीनिंग में जो डेली वेस्टेज है आप उसको डेली गार्बेज वैन में ही उसको डंप करें, यहाँ वहाँ लिटर ना करें। सेकेंडली, जैसे आप ट्रेवल करते हैं, चाहे आप बस में हैं, बाई ट्रेन में हैं, तो कोई चीज़ ऐसे होती है आपने ईटेबल चीज़ें ली और उसमें प्लास्टिक रैपर है तो हम यहाँ वहाँ उसको थ्रो कर देते हैं। उसको प्रैक्टिस में नहीं लाइए। आपके पास जो बैग होता है बैगेज में तो एक स्मॉल पॉकेट्स होती है, मैं उसको हमेशा वहाँ पर रख लेती हूँ, जहाँ से डस्टबिन मिलता है उसको मैं फिर वहाँ थ्रो कर देती हूँ। थर्ड पॉइंट आपका आएगा इसमें, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे हम डेली काफ़ी सॉलिड प्लास्टिक हमारे पास कंटेनर्स आते हैं, ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स हो गए, कुकिंग ऑयल्स हो गए, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जिसमें बहुत हैवी प्लास्टिक होता है, उनको आप स्टोर करें और एवरी मंथ आप उसको सेल कर दें जो गार्बेज कलेक्टर्स आते हैं। इस तरीके से आपका प्लास्टिक भी कलेक्ट हो जाएगा। लास्ट पॉइंट मैं शेयर करूँगी, आप कहीं पर भी जाते हैं, मार्केट जाते हैं, वेजिटेबल्स लेने जाते हैं, एवरीवेयर, तो अपना कैरी बैग साथ लेके जाएं। अवॉइड करें कि आप प्लास्टिक कम यूज़ करें। अच्छे काफ़ी बैग्स आ गए हैं जो रीयूजेबल हैं और बहुत कॉम्पैक्ट स्पेस लेते हैं, मतलब बहुत ही आपके वॉलेट में भी आ जाएंगे। उनको अपने साथ हमेशा कैरी करें और मार्केट आप जाते हैं उनको उसी में ही आप अपनी चीज़ों को लेकर आएँ। इससे आपका प्लास्टिक का जो रीयूज़ है वो कम हो जाएगा। ये बहुत छोटी प्रैक्टिस है, लेकिन छोटी प्रैक्टिस ही बड़ी प्रैक्टिस बन जाती है। अगर आप इसको करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं करते उसको अप्लाई करें और बाकी लोगों को मोटिवेट करें। बाकी लोग को आप, सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि अपने आप को बदले, अपने आप को मोटिवेट करें। अगर आप खुद चीज़ों को डेली एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे तो लोग आपसे डेफिनेटली इन्फ्लुएंस होंगे। सो हैप्पी अर्थ डे, थैंक यू।
I, Richa Mishra, my department is Computer Science and Engineering. Happy Earth Day to all of you. पृथ्वी से हमारे कितने गहरे संबंध हैं इसका अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि पृथ्वी के बिना मानव जीवन संभव ही नहीं है। मदर अर्थ इज आवर होम. It's crucial to respect and care for her. My advice to all of you, youth should educate themselves, then we can reuse, reduce and recycle to save, help the planet. So we come together to celebrate our planet and renew our commitment to protecting it for future generation. Happy Earth Day to all of you. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon everyone. I, Tanya Srivastava, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department in Jail Bazaar Group of Institutions, Mathura. Today I am going to share my views on our Mother Earth. I want to say that Earth's resources are limited gifts that we often take for granted. Humans are using them up quickly due to selfishness. To protect our lives, we must protect these resources. People all over the world are getting involved in protecting these environment and standing up against climate issues. Some of these young activities focus on defending human rights related to the environment like clean water, air, land, plants and animals. Unfortunately, they often face serious risks and threats in their efforts. I want to say that save our environment and save our Mother Earth. Thank you.
Namaskar, this is Dr. Shatakshi Mishra, Assistant Professor Professional Communication. Thank you for including me in this talk, in this valuable talk. First thing which I can do or anyone can do to save Mother Earth, we can save water, and it can be start with our home. We can save water from the water, the RO waste, from the AC water. We can reuse it and recycle it for cleaning purpose. When it comes to Mother Earth, I think view should not be varied. There should always be a single view that we are nurtured by our Mother Earth. So we should plant the trees. We should keep our environment safe for our future generation. And this is our Mother Earth. Just because of Mother Earth, we all are surviving. So save our Mother. So I advise to the youth for safe environment, and as far as the environment is concerned, I strongly advise the youth for the sustainable development. Try to avoid the conditions which are harmful for the environment. Just for the sake of your career and progress, do not spoil the nature, the earth. As we conclude the things around us, we are just surrounded by, actually we belong to the era which is quite materialistic, and we are not least thinking about the environment, the nature. So on this way we are getting a very wrong way. We are on wrong path. We should overthink and we rethink about our nature, about our earth. Thank you everyone, and thank you students for a really very worth initiative. Thanks.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. As Nidhi Gautam, Assistant Professor in the Department of Applied Science and Humanities, specializing in civil engineering. I have spearheaded initiatives to educate students about environmental concerns. I have authored 6 research and review papers related to environmental science on the critical topics such as sustainable development, 3R technology, cement alternatives, crop residue burning, etc., contributing both academia and environmental advocacy. I view Mother Earth as the ultimate provider and sustainer of life. She embodies resilience, diversity, and interconnectedness. So, it's our moral imperative to protect and cherish her beauty. I advise to adopt eco-friendly policies such as reducing waste, conserving nature and energy, sustainable production adoption, planting trees, etc. To conserve our nature, we should prioritize sustainable development, conserve our nature and natural resources, foster green spaces, biodiversity preservation also another option. So, small actions collectively make a big difference in protecting Earth's future. Thank you all.
A guardian of nature from our city Mathura, Mr. Vipul Agrawal, the founder of Project Mathura, is a dedicated environmental conservationist. Through his organization, he works tirelessly to preserve the environment. In his organization, Mr. Vipul Agrawal collaborates with a community of environmentally conscious individuals to diligently conserve the environment. The collective vision of their organization is to transform Mathura into India's sustainable city to
मैं
live.
श्री विपुल अग्रवाल। आज से 2 साल पहले जब मैं द्वारका शहर था तो वहाँ पे मैंने एक चीज रियलाइज की कि हमारा मथुरा जो कि लॉर्ड कृष्ण का सिटी है वो इतना अच्छा होने के बाद भी कितना गंदा है कि हमारे वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कितने सारे इश्यूज हैं। हमारे यहाँ पे रोड में गंदगी पड़ी रहती है, लोग लिटर करते रहते हैं। हमारे यहाँ पर जितने भी वेस्ट सेग्रीगेशन नहीं होता है, हमारे यहाँ पर लैंडफिल्स लगातार बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। यमुना जी इतनी ज्यादा गंदी होती है और प्लास्टिक वेस्ट भी इतना सारा होता जा रहा है। ये सब देख के हमें रियलाइज हुआ कि हमें युवा को कुछ न कुछ एक्शन लेने चाहिए, जैसे कि हम अपने खुद के ब्रज को, खुद के सिटी को साफ कर सकें। ये करने के लिए हमने प्रोजेक्ट मथुरा को इनिशिएट किया। प्रोजेक्ट मथुरा को इनिशिएट करके हम एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी डेवलप करना चाह रहे हैं जो मथुरा के वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट को लेकर प्रैक्टिकल काम करे और चेंज लेकर। इसका मेन एम ये है कि हम मथुरा को एक सस्टेनेबल सिटी बनाएं जो कि बहुत ही इको फ्रेंडली सब चीजों को लेकर चल रही है। यहाँ पर हम बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव पर काम कर रहे हैं। आज तक हम 500 किलोग्राम से ज्यादा किचन का वेस्ट कंपोस्ट कर चुके हैं, 500 किलो से ज्यादा प्लास्टिक वेस्ट को रिसाइकलिंग के लिए दे चुके हैं और लगातार हम सफाई संदेश करते रहते हैं, जिससे कि हम अपनी सिटी को खुद साफ करते हैं और इससे हम लोगों को एनकरेज भी करते हैं कि वो इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव का पार्ट बने। इस साल हम बहुत सारे स्कूल और इंस्टीट्यूशंस के साथ में कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे कि हम उनको जीरो वेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन बनाने में हेल्प कर रहे हैं। इसके साथ में ये हम उनके साथ में कोलैबोरेशन करके चल रहे हैं कि लगातार उनके यहाँ के बच्चे इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें, वो यंग लीडर्स की तरह डेवलप। इससे हमारे यहाँ पे जब बहुत सारे लोग पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो हमारे यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल मैं दे सकता हूँ। यहाँ पर हर घर में एक युवा है या एक बच्चा है जो कि अगर हमसे कनेक्टेड है तो वो अपनी सफाई के ऊपर ध्यान दे रहा है, तो उस वहाँ पे अगर सफाई पर ध्यान दे रहा है तो उसके बाद में वो अपने घर पे चेंज लेके आएगा। तो इस तरह से मथुरा के हर घर से हम कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं और बहुत बड़ा चेंज लेके आ सकते हैं। जीएल बजाज इंस्टीट्यूशन के मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट्स से भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप भी इस प्रोजेक्ट का पार्ट बने और आप भी अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन के प्लास्टिक बैंक में यहाँ पे प्लास्टिक डिपोजिट करें। थैंक यू।